A brand new year always brings excitement, but if you're a DJI fan, this one already feels special. Over the past few weeks, a lot of people have been asking the same question. What exactly does DJI have planned for 2026? The good news is, we're no longer guessing based on random rumors or shaky leaks. Thanks to multiple FCC filings, we now have a clear and reliable roadmap of what's coming. When a product passes FCC certification, it's a strong signal that development is complete and launch timelines are getting closer. So today, we're diving into everything that's already confirmed, from next-generation drones to new creator-focus cameras and accessories. This breakdown will help you understand not just what products are coming, but how DJI is shaping its strategy for creators, filmmakers, and drone pilots in 2026. Let's get into it. Number 7. The DJI Avata 360 marks a major evolution in DJI's drone lineup. Instead of being just another FPV drone, this one is designed around full 360-degree video capture, with spherical recording built directly into the aircraft. That opens up entirely new creative possibilities, especially for immersive and cinematic content. FCC clearance confirms that this is no longer a concept but a near-finished product. The Avata 360 looks set to blend DJI's FPV expertise with next-level immersive visuals, making it one of the most talked-about DJI releases of 2026. Number 6. The DJI RS5 is clearly built for serious filmmakers who work with heavier mirrorless and cinema cameras. Based on current filings and leaks, this next-generation gimbal focuses on improved endurance, stability, and smarter focusing tools. A larger internal battery and advanced autofocus integration suggest DJI is pushing the RS lineup further into professional territory. Rather than reinventing the wheel, the RS5 appears to refine everything creators already rely on, making it a powerful upgrade for demanding shooting environments and long production days. Number 5. The DJI Mic Mini 2 focuses on simplicity and reliability, aiming squarely at creators who want clean audio without complexity. Rather than dramatic changes, this update is expected to deliver smarter refinements, including better battery efficiency and more consistent audio quality. Its compact design makes it ideal for vloggers, mobile creators, and anyone building a lightweight setup. DJI's approach here seems to be about polishing what already works, ensuring the Mic Mini 2 remains an easy, dependable choice for everyday content creation. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. DJI's Pocket camera lineup is getting a strong refresh with the Osmo Pocket 4 series. The standard Pocket 4 sticks to the compact, 3-axis stabilized design but introduces noticeable refinements like improved battery capacity and smoother overall performance. The real excitement, however, surrounds the Pocket 4 Pro. Rumors suggest a dual-lens system with wide and telephoto options, offering greater creative flexibility in a tiny form factor. With the Pocket 4 already FCC cleared and the Pro expected later, DJI seems to be targeting both casual and advanced creators. Number 3. The Osmo Fram Tap may be a small accessory, but it signals DJI's attention to creator workflow. Designed as a wireless remote for the Osmo ecosystem, it allows hands-free control over recording and framing. This is especially useful for solo creators, vloggers, and studio setups where touching the camera isn't practical. Its appearance alongside Osmo Pocket 4 filings suggests tight ecosystem integration. While subtle, this accessory could significantly improve usability and efficiency for creators working with DJI's compact camera lineup. Number 2. We have the mystery product. The Lito X1 is a brand new DJI drone that has shown up in FCC records, confirming active development. Early leaks hint at a compact, ultra-lightweight design, possibly targeting beginner-friendly or travel-focused users. While details are scarce, FCC clearance suggests it won't stay a mystery for long. Number 1. Finally, the Osmo Mobile 8P is rumored to be a more advanced, creator-focused version of DJI's smartphone gimbal lineup. Designed for users who want greater control, it's expected to offer improved subject tracking, smoother stabilization, and more refined shooting modes. This model appears to bridge the gap between casual mobile filming and professional-level smartphone production. With content creation increasingly shifting to mobile devices, the Osmo Mobile 8P looks set to become a powerful tool for creators who demand more from their phone-based setups. So that's a full look at what DJI has lined up for 2026 based on confirmed FCC filings. And honestly, it's already shaping up to be a massive year. From innovative drones and advanced gimbals to compact creator tools and completely new product categories, DJI clearly isn't playing it safe. What's especially interesting is how these releases seem to target different types of users, from casual creators to serious professionals. And remember, this list only covers what we can see right now. As the year moves forward, there's a strong chance we'll see even more surprises added to the lineup. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and keep up with the latest DJI updates, leaks, and in-depth breakdowns, make sure you're following Tecnify. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.